Yes.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Excuse me?
Good morning.
Good morning. As you can see from the letters that I sent you, I just wanted to make you aware that because of the 2 court dates that you missed, that the judge issued a bench warrant for your arrest. And if you don't surrender yourself to the court within 30 days of the issuance of that warrant, then the prosecutor could file a bail jumping charge against you. And that's a serious charge, much more serious than the disorderly conduct charge that is currently pending against you. The maximum sentence for the bail jumping charge is up to 1 year in jail. So that's why what my advice to you is to surrender yourself to the court this week, because the 30-day period will run out on September 7th. When the judge issued the warrant, he put bail on the warrant in the amount of a $500 cash alternative or a $1,000 bond alternative. So when you surrender on the warrant, if you have $500 in cash, you'll be able to post bond and you'll be released and you'll be given a new court date. So my advice is that you do that and that you do it before September 7th.
There was never bail posted on the disorderly conduct. It was an ROR.
Bail was posted on the warrant when it was issued on August 7th. You were not in court on August 7th, so that's why you would not know about that.
Well,
But it means for the judge to impose bail on a warrant, and like I say, it's in your best interest to surrender on the warrant before the 30-day period runs out.
you mentioned that. Can you answer questions now?
I can, sure.
Cool. That'd be great. The letter copies a bailer regarding this charge and states that my bail has been withdrawn. The bail was posted on a dog leash ticket. And the letter that I finally received, which is very different than the address that I provided the court, which is why I didn't get it, lists an additional charge that wasn't on the ticket.
What's important is what's filed with the court, and I really can't speak to any dog leash ticket because the only thing that the court has assigned me to is the disorderly conduct charge.
Okay, cool. Then let's focus on the disorderly conduct charge. On the letter that I got from the court, it includes a / fight and violent behavior, which wasn't on the original ticket.
They're two different things. The disorderly conduct charge is a charge that is filed with the court for prosecution. If you've got an appearance ticket for a dog leash charge...
I'm not asking about the dog leash charge. Let's just take that completely off the table. I understand you're not interested in that. What I'm asking about is in the letter that I got from the court to an address that I on record do not use. It has a / fight and violent behavior added that was not on the ticket that I received.
I'm really not sure what letter you're referring to. There is a disorderly conduct accusatory instrument called violation information up at the top, and that is the disorderly conduct charge.
Oh.
But quite frankly, Ms. Mayor, I mean, I'm your attorney on that charge, and I'm telling you that the disorderly conduct is filed with the court.
You're not my attorney because when we were at the court that day, I told you that I filed an ADA accommodation given for PTSD and dyslexia that would compromise my ability to defend myself properly because my cognitive ability is compromised under stress. I filed that I gave you the information and I gave the court the information of the diagnosis and the effects that it has and asked for a fair accommodation to proceed in writing. If that was denied, which is okay, or if they need more information, it is law that I receive that in writing and I didn't.
Ms. Mayor, I don't want you to get arrested. I don't want you to have that more serious bail jumping charge filed.
Okay, can you...
No, let me just limit to this. What's really important.
Did you get my fax this morning?
I did receive it.
So the letter, wait a minute.
Ms. Mayor, we all learn more by listening rather than talking.
Okay, cool. Answer my question first that I asked before you started talking.
I've given you
In the
advice
fax...
about surrendering to the court, and if you want to surrender on a day when I will be there, I will be in Peekskill court on Thursday.
I removed you on June 5th. You're not my attorney. You didn't know what the American... You stated that you were...
Only the court can relieve me of this assignment. So as unpleasant...
What are you talking about? I'm retaining a... I don't want you as my lawyer.
But let me tell you, I want to do my job properly.
Why can't I remove you?
That if you want me to stand up for you, I will be in court on Thursday during the regular session. Court starts at 11 o'clock. That's September 4th.
Why can't I remove you as...
If you wish to swear, please just quit interrupting and listen. If you want me to stand up to you as your attorney, I will be there on September 4th at 11, and I'll be happy to do it. If you wish to surrender sooner, that's your decision, and it might be the best thing to do, because bear in mind there's a warrant for your arrest that's outstanding. The police can arrest you anytime. They could arrest you today. It'd be much better if you surrendered rather than were arrested. So remember to bring $500 for bail money and surrender yourself before September 7th.
Okay,
I hope to see you on September 4th.
As my attorney...
And then we can discuss this matter further. Have a good day and have a nice holiday weekend. Bye. You have reached the law office of Arthur Schneider. I'm not available at the moment, so please leave a message.
Hello, Mr. Schneider. The question that I had, your advice to turn myself in on a charge regarding a letter and an appearance date I got dated June 17th from the court for a date on August 7th. The charge is listed /fight and violent behavior, and the ticket that I got from the court does not list, or from the officers does not list that charge, and it does not list the law that I violated. So from my understanding of what you're asking me to do, could you please clarify why it is that the charge in the letter that I received from the court is different from the ticket that I received from the officers, and why it isn't relevant that the correspondence was set into a different address than I provided the court, seemingly so I wouldn't receive it, though I hope I'm wrong on that. Thank you for my wishes for a good afternoon. I renew my position based on today's conversation that it is not best for you to represent me. I believe you're representing the interests of the city and not me. Thank you again for the wishes for a good weekend, and I am reachable via the phone number, fax, email, or post office box that I provided. Thank you.